Are you on the hunt for reliable ways to grow your money without taking on too much risk? In this video, we're exploring the top 5 mutual funds for consistent returns in 2024. Whether you're saving for retirement, planning a big purchase, or just trying to boost your investment portfolio, these funds have got you covered. So don't go anywhere. We're about to explore these promising funds, and you'll definitely want to catch the well-known people who use these strategies. First, we have the Vanguard 500 Index Fund. This is commonly known by its ticker symbol VFIAX. This fund is designed to follow the S&P 500, which means it invests in the 500 largest companies in the United States. These companies are from a wide range of industries, including technology, healthcare, finance, and consumer goods. By investing in VFIAX, you're essentially buying a piece of the overall U.S. economy. One of the best things about VFIAX is its low expense ratio. This means that the fees for managing the fund are quite low compared to many other investment options. When you pay lower fees, you keep more of your investment returns over time, which is great for your financial growth. If you're looking for a long-term investment, the Vanguard 500 Index Fund is definitely worth considering. It has a strong history of steady growth, so you can expect it to do well over the years. Since it tracks the performance of the S&P 500, it tends to follow the overall market trends, making it a solid choice for building your wealth. Whether you're saving for retirement or trying to grow your investment portfolio, VFIAX offers a simple and reliable way to invest in some of the biggest and most successful companies in America. One well-known figure who advocates for investing in index funds, including the Vanguard 500 Index Fund, VFIAX, is Warren Buffett. The legendary investor and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway has long championed index investing as a simple and effective strategy for building wealth over the long term. Next, let's talk about the Fidelity Contrafund, also known as FCNTX. This fund is popular because it mainly invests in growth stocks. Growth stocks are shares of companies that are expected to grow faster than most others. These companies typically reinvest their profits to expand their businesses, which makes them appealing for investors looking for long-term growth. One of the key strengths of FCNTX is its experienced management team. This team has a strong history of choosing investments that perform better than the overall market. Their expertise is valuable for investors who want a mix of growth and steady returns. By focusing on companies that are innovative and growing in various fields, the Fidelity Contrafund could provide solid long-term gains. Additionally, investing in FCNTX allows investors to tap into the potential of many different industries. This means that the fund isn't just limited to one type of business, which can help spread out risk and increase the chances of success. For those who are willing to take on some risk for the possibility of higher rewards, FCNTX might be a great option to consider for building wealth over time. One well-known investor who employs a growth stock investment strategy similar to that of the Fidelity Contrafund is Cathie Wood, the founder and CEO of ARK Invest. Wood is recognized for her focus on innovative companies in sectors such as technology, genomics, and clean energy. Our third pick is the T. Rowe Price Blue Chip Growth Fund, or TRBCX. This fund puts money into large, well-known companies that have solid earnings and a strong reputation. These companies are called blue chip because they are often leaders in their industries. Many investors see them as safer options, especially if they want to avoid high risks. TRBCX strikes a good balance between growth and stability. If you want your investments to grow while still feeling secure, this fund could be a great choice. By focusing on these strong companies, the fund aims to help your money increase over time. Additionally, TRBCX spreads its investments across different parts of the economy. This helps lower risk because if one sector struggles, other investments can help keep your overall money safe. Blue chip companies usually have a track record of bouncing back during tough times, making them popular with both new and experienced investors. If you like the idea of steady growth with some safety, the T. Rowe Price Blue Chip Growth Fund could be a smart addition to your investment portfolio. With its focus on reliable companies, TRBCX not only aims to grow your money, but also gives you peace of mind in a sometimes uncertain market. A well-known investor who employs a similar investment strategy to the T. Rowe Price Blue Chip Growth Fund, focusing on blue chip companies, is John Bogle. As the founder of Vanguard Group and the creator of the first index mutual fund, Bogle championed the idea of investing in large established companies that offer stable returns over time. Up next is the Schwab S&P 500 Index Fund, known by its ticker symbol SWPPX. This fund tracks the performance of the S&P 500, which includes 500 of the largest companies in the United States. Like the Vanguard S&P 500 fund, Schwab's fund offers a simple way to invest in the overall U.S. stock market. One of the best things about SWPPX is its low fees. When you invest in this fund, you keep more of your money working for you instead of paying high costs to the fund manager. This makes it a great option for people who prefer a passive investment approach, meaning you buy shares and hold them for the long term, rather than trying to trade frequently or pick individual stocks. Investing in the Schwab S&P 500 Index Fund also helps you spread your money across many different companies. By doing this, you lower the risk of losing money if one company doesn't do well. If you're looking for a smart and affordable way to invest in U.S. stocks, SWPPX is a strong choice. It's suitable for anyone saving for retirement, planning a big purchase, or just wanting to grow their wealth over time. One well-known individual who advocates for a passive investment strategy, particularly through index funds, is Tony Robbins. The motivational speaker and author emphasizes the importance of long-term investing and the benefits of low-cost index funds in his books and seminars. Lastly, we have the Dodge Cox Stock Fund, known by its ticker DODGX. This fund is a popular choice for people who want to grow their money wisely. What makes DODGX special is its focus on value investing. This means the fund looks for companies that are priced lower than what they are really worth. So these companies usually have strong finances and good leadership, but might be going through some temporary problems that keep their stock prices down. One of the fund's biggest strengths is its strong performance over time. In the past, DODGX has often done better than many similar funds, making it a trustworthy option for investors. This fund is especially good for those who want a mix of growth and income. It aims to provide both rising value over the long term and regular dividends or payments from the companies it invests in. The fund is managed by experienced professionals who do in-depth research to build a diverse range of investments. This diversity helps lower risks while still aiming for good returns. If one company faces issues, others in the portfolio can help balance things out. Another well-known investor who employs a value investing strategy similar to Warren Buffett's is Seth Klarman. He is the founder and CEO of the Biopost Group, a highly regarded hedge fund based in Boston. Klarman is famous for his disciplined approach to value investing, focusing on finding undervalued securities with significant upside potential. That's a wrap on our top 5 mutual funds for consistent returns in 2024. If you're looking for smart, low-risk options to grow your money, these funds could be just what you need. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. You won't want to miss our next video, How to Double Your Money in 2024 with these 3 smart investments. We're excited to help you on your investment journey.